Welcome! In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through setting up Facebook Messenger for your chatbot, so you can start connecting with your customers right away. First, let's head into Settings, where you'll be able to customize how your chatbot behaves and what it can do. From here, we'll navigate to Channels and select Messenger. This is where you'll configure your messaging channel to connect with customers on the platform they use most. Now go ahead and click Connect. This will link everything together so you can start sending automated messages to your customers. You'll need to sign in with Facebook to authorize the connection. This links your business page so you can engage with your audience directly through Messenger. Go ahead and authorize your account here. Once you do, you'll be ready to start building out your chatbot. Here's where you choose which specific Facebook pages you want to manage. This gives you complete control over which messaging channels are active. Click Save to grant permissions for your Instagram accounts as well. This sets you up for easy expansion across platforms down the road. Perfect! Your account is now successfully connected and ready to go. Now you'll select which business page you want to work with. This is where you'll create and manage your custom automations. Let's go back to Settings one more time to fine-tune your automation preferences for this page. Click on Messenger Settings to adjust how your chatbot interacts with customers. Take a moment to explore the Messenger integration options. This is where you'll see all the tools available for engaging your audience in real-time conversations. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully set up your Facebook Messenger connection, and you're ready to start building amazing chatbot experiences.